I would like now to invite on stage Dr. Chaesub Lee, Director Telecommunication Standardization Bureau of the International Telecommunication Union, ITU.
¿Cómo estás? This is my only Spanish. Honorable Mayor of Valencia, Excellency Mr. Yaya Sangar, Minister of this Foreign Affairs and African Integration, Alberto Medran, Ruben Martinez, and Nick Morera, all these distinguished colleagues and friends. Good morning and welcome to this 9th edition of ITU Green Standards Week. Already 9th edition, what a wonderful. I want to begin off by thanking our host, the city of Valencia, as well as our co-organizer, Spain's Ministry of Economy and Business, Chaesub Lee over there. Thank you very much. We have received a very warm welcome. I thank you for your great hospitality. I would especially like to thank Valencia's Mayor, Joan Ribor, and his councillor, Pere Fuset, as well as his organizing team, coordinated by Ramon Ferri. Your support to ITU organizing this week's events has been absolutely outstanding. This morning we will discuss an issue of critical importance to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Our cities are powerful engines of economic growth, but they are also the main source of greenhouse gas emissions and the main driving force behind our consumption of energy. It is clear to see why smart, sustainable cities have become a key policy point to administrations worldwide. ITU is the United Nations Specialized Agency for Information and Communication Technologies called ICTs. We are leading global efforts to optimize the application of ICTs within smart cities. The ICT infrastructure of a smart city must ensure openness and interoperability, and this can only be achieved with common standards. ITU standards help cities to innovate efficiently and at scale. They provide essential technical foundations for smart cities, but standards alone will not be enough. No two cities are the same. There is no substitute for learning from experience. It is crucial that we share the results of our smart city projects with other cities around the world. Here we enjoy valuable support from KPIs for smart sustainable cities based on ITU standards. These KPIs provide cities with a common reporting framework to share the results of their smart city projects. They have proven very effective in stimulating international dialogue. More than 100 cities worldwide have adopted these KPIs as part of a project led by the United for Smart Sustainable Cities initiative called UFSSC, which is supported by 16 United Nations bodies. It is highly targeted towards learning from experience. UFSSC has built relationships with a diverse selection of cities, and with the support of 16 UN bodies, we benefit from a diverse set of expertise. We will learn more about UFSSC at this Green Standards Week. You are all most welcome to participate in this important work. I would also like to highlight a new ITU initiative of great relevance to this week's discussions. We have established a new ITU focus group to study environmental sustainability in view of frontier technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain. ITU focus groups are open to all interested parties. These groups are the place to define new directions in ITU standardization. So we look forward to learning more about your ICT ambitions. ITU is always looking to the future. So understanding your ambitions will help us to ensure that ITU standards meet the needs of today, tomorrow, and beyond. So thank you. I wish you a most enjoyable Green Standards Week. Muchas gracias.